Presenting the Wesco KD for Knockdown drum truck. This rugged 1,000-pound capacity truck can be assembled to handle steel or poly drums and is designed to keep freight costs down. The KD drum truck comes in a box configuration that is UPS-able. Assembly is easy and requires few tools. Simply follow the step-by-step instructions that come with the unit. Lay the base flat and fasten the right and left toes using 4 nuts, 4 lock washers, and 4 bolts. Tighten the nuts securely and make sure the indentation of the toes is on the inside. The bolts should be installed in opposition to one another. Turn the base over. Insert small carriage bolt through the base of the kickstand. Insert the kickstand through the base, put the kickstand in the down position and stand the base up. And secure to the mounting bracket with 1 washer and 1 nut. Insert the post through the base. Then insert the axle through the axle hole in the base, through the post, and through the opposite side axle hole. Place a washer on either side of the axle and then install both wheels. Place another washer on the outer side of each wheel and insert the cotter pins through the holes drilled into the ends of the axle. Bend the cotter pins with pliers to secure the wheel assembly. Next, lock the post to the base using the longest hex head bolt and nut. Insert the rear rest into the front of the base. Make sure that the tab of the rear rest is fully seated in the base and secure it to the post with a hairpin cotter pin. Slide the drum hook onto the post. Slide the handle onto the post and fasten it with the remaining 2 hex head bolts. Adding the third wheel option is easy. Simply remove the hairpin cotter pin and the connector pin, take off the rear rest, and replace it with the third wheel assembly using the same hardware. The optional third wheel is ergonomically designed to reduce breakover effort. The 6-inch by 2-inch swivel caster carries the weight of the drum and makes steering much easier. In the poly drum configuration, substitute 2 wide feet and a belt to eliminate the risk of drums being punctured by nose prongs and chime hooks. The Wesco KD drum truck comes with either 10-inch polyurethane or 10-inch polyolefin wheels and is also available in a 304 stainless steel model. Wesco KD drum trucks are made in our Pennsylvania factory.